Good morning. How are you?
I'm good, sir. Thank you. What
Okay.
about you?
I'm very well, thank you. Hmm. Okay.
So I can start.
Hmm.
I have been living in Delhi since 1989.
Hmm.
I was studying in government school with my society kids.
Hmm.
I was changed my three schools between first to 12th class.
Hmm.
I was average student and I made multiple friends on school
Hmm.
and tuition classes.
Hmm.
Now we have those four friends still in touch with me.
I, not we. We. I have.
Yeah, yeah. I
Hmm.
was good in math, but English is my weakness.
Hmm.
I am thinking because I was started my ABCD from sixth class.
Hmm.
I was completed my 10th with 70% marks. I had taken commerce stream in 11th class.
Hmm.
And I was completed my 12th class with 67 marks.
I completed, not was completed.
I completed. Our one of the relatives suggested to do these classes from Jet King, do the classes from Jet King for hardware course.
You did that course from Jet King,
Yes, sir.
networking.
Yeah, networking hardware.
You know Red Hat
Basic.
and all,
Yes, sir.
CCNA.
Yeah, CCN.
So did you get the certificate? Red Hat.
Yes, I had not Red Hat. I was done CCN.
I did. Hmm.
I did.
CCNA, very good.
I
I
have.
also conducted that institute.
Are you?
I conducted that institute,
Okay.
Anyland,
Okay. Okay.
Anyland, and I had a big institute. A lot of students studied there.
So now,
Bind up.
due to Corona, that's other
Not
things.
Corona actually. I started it in 2008 and
Okay.
closed in 2010 because of some issues.
Okay. Personal issues.
Not personal issues, these were the issues by the franchisee company
Okay.
because I took the franchisee from Anyland
Okay.
and some issues were there with the students.
Okay.
So it took a big shape actually. That issue took a big shape and lot of things were published in newspaper and all local newspaper. So I decided to bind it up.
Why is it? It is good for you also, no?
Actually, that was negative, what I should say. It was negative, issue.
Okay.
That's why I didn't like it.
Okay.
Hmm.
You are working as your condition.
Not with my conditions, but actually, lot of students were there. Actually, they didn't want to pay fee,
Oh,
and they wanted to take exam. And when we were not able to send the franchisee company their fee and all commissions whatever,
hmm.
so they took 20% of the commission of the tuition fees.
Okay.
So we were unable to send them the commission because the students
Yeah.
didn't pay us the fee.
Yeah.
So they didn't allow means the students to take exam. So
Yeah.
all the students they went to police, newspaper,
Okay.
and newspaper, local newspaper, they came to me to know the issue, and I told them the actual situation, but they demanded some money from us.
Okay.
not to publish anything negative in newspaper,
Uh,
but I denied because I was true.
mm,
But as they didn't get the money, so they published negative things in newspaper against me and against my partner and all. So that was the issue actually. So that's why I don't like newspaper and all media,
mm,
because they never actually publish the true things.
yeah, correct.
They publish the things which are paid.
Correct.
If you pay them money, you can ask them to publish anything, they'll publish.
Yeah.
And that's
Okay.
why that's why I never watch news. I never read newspaper
Mm,
because they are absurds for me. I don't believe in newspaper
mm,
and news channel, TV channels, news channels.
correct, correct.
They are fake. Almost
But
me
sir, mostly all the institute first taking a fees, then conduct the exam. So what is
actually
the problem?
that was not the problem actually, as we took the fee in two parts,
Hmm.
sometime in three parts,
Yes.
just to let the students be means sure to pay the fee in installment.
Hmm.
So after paying first installment, when we asked them to pay second, third, or whatever, they didn't pay.
Oh.
Not many, but some of the students were there. Very few of them, they didn't want to pay. They want to take the exam without fee. So that was the issue.
Hmm.
And because of that, actually, it was a rumor in the
Hmm.
market that institute is not
Is
good,
not good.
because they publish everything negative in
Correct.
newspaper. So we lost students, lot of students,
Hmm.
and we suffered a great loss. It was 10 lakh or maybe 15 lakh or something.
Okay.
Yeah.
So next, I have finished approx 2 year course from Jetkin.
Hmm.
It is like this, correct, sir?
Yeah, I have finished, you can say, or I finished, or I completed.
Okay.
Completed is
Completed.
completed means when you do something and you get the result of it. That is
Okay.
means completed. Finish means you have finished it, but you haven't got any result.
Okay.
It means if you take a course, it is completed, not finished. Finish
Okay. I
means
completed.
फिनिश का मतलब हुआ कि आपने कोई चीज फिनिश कर दी, अब उसका रिजल्ट इज नॉट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
Hmm. Okay.
But completed means you completed something, but you got the result.
Got it, sir.
तो
I completed approx 2 year course from Jetking.
तो उससे
Then
रिजल्ट
I
मिला
was
ना आपको.
started.
You got the certificate from it.
Yeah.
So that's why
Then
finish तो हो
so
गया.
it
I have
was
finished my lunch. अब
oh,
लंच कर
correct.
लिया, अब क्या उसका रिजल्ट क्या है, वो तो नॉर्मल चीज है. I have taken my bath. I have finished like this.
Got it.
Hmm.
So from Jetking, then I was started my job as fresher with
I
4,000.
started, not was नहीं लगा सेकंड फॉर्म के साथ. पास्ट में I started.
Started my job as fresher with 4,000 rupees as conveyance charges.
Hmm.
This is my IT career. This way my IT career started.
Hmm.
I was married in 2014
Hmm.
and I have two kids.
Hmm.
My both kids have been studying in PPS school since 2019.
Hmm.
I have been working in ACPL since 2016.
Hmm.
Before this job, I was changed
I
3 companies.
changed. I was नहीं. Hmm.
I changed 3 companies. I had started English language class from my growth. I have been starting for 2 weeks.
I have been studying.
I have been studying for 2 weeks.
Yes.
अगर मैं ये बोलना कि मैंने ये स्टार्ट करी है 2 हफ्ते से, then
I've been studying.
okay.
शुरू किए
Now
मतलब क्या,
sentences.
पढ़ रहे हो ना,
हम्म,
शुरू कर रहे हो दो, अभी कुछ हुआ नहीं है, शुरू कर रहे हो 2 सप्ताह से, और पढ़ रहे हो। आई हैव बीन स्टार्टिंग नहीं हो सकता ना सेंटेंस। आई हैव बीन स्टडिंग, आई हैव बीन स्टार्टिंग, नो, आई हैव बीन स्टडिंग,
have been studying.
पढ़ रहा हूँ।
Now sentences. He eats his food.
हम्म
He doesn't eat his food.
हम्म
Does he eat this food?
हम्म
I read. I walk. They drink. They go. He comes.
गेम्स।
Ram and Sam. He comes. Ram and Sam go to the market. Go to the college. They don't go to the college. They go to group. They go to ground for play.
For playing.
Why I not go to the school?
Why don't I?
Do they not go to the market for shopping? I loves to play basketball.
Loves नहीं, love.
Or he loves to play basketball. Does he write a letter? She doesn't write a letter. She write an email.
Writes
Writes.
an email.
And yeah, she doesn't write a letter. She writes an email. They started. They don't start.
They started. They started fast.
They started.
They didn't start. Negative.
Do they start the game without me?
Do they?
Start the game without me.
It is present or past?
Present. Do you like non-veg? No, I don't. My kids like non-veg. She likes. She thinks she is beautiful. He is alone with you in home. I am too busy today morning. Is this your car? This is not my car. He is not my brother. He is her brother. He is too kind. They know him. Are you know him?
No. Are you know? Do you know him?
Do not wait me. I am late.
Don't
If
wait.
I'm late.
Don't wait for me.
If I am late. Please wait me. I am coming.
Please wait for me.
Do you talk to me? You don't talk to me. I run every weekend. He is living here with me. He loves to work with me. He is very sad. He is not my touch.
He is very sad.
You are not good doctor.
You are not a good doctor.
You are going to abroad for study? No, we are not going to abroad for study. We are going to attend the seminar. how can we do this work?
Hmm.
How can we learn the English?
Dani.
I live.
Dani.
How we can learn English?
How can we learn?
Learn English.
Hmm.
I live in next house.
Hmm.
We work more than you do.
Hmm.
Your father is going there.
Hmm.
My boss has called a meeting.
Hmm.
Has your boss called a meeting?
Hmm.
No, he hasn't.
Hmm.
I have come. You have become a father now.
Become.
I have read this book. I have sent
No,
him
no,
a
no, no,
letter.
no, no, no. I have read.
I have
Pronunciation is read.
read.
स्पेलिंग तो सेम होती है तीनों,
Hmm.
लेकिन रीड रेड रेड.
Right. I have sent him a letter.
Hmm.
You have changed a lot.
Hmm.
I haven't changed you.
Hmm.
Have you taken his permission?
Hmm.
Yes, I haven't taken his permission because this is mine.
तो नो बोलो ना, यस क्यों?
Hmm.
यस आई हैवंट टेकन नहीं, नो आई हैवंट
No, I
टेकन.
haven't taken.
Hmm.
Have you put petrol into the bike?
Hmm.
I have put rupees 500 petrol into the bike.
Hmm.
Have got a cold and she has got fever.
Hmm.
My neighbor dog have bitten me again. Baby teeth have started fall out.
Hmm.
I have found rupees 500 note under the table.
Hmm.
I have understood this.
Hmm.
You have come. He has been walking since morning.
Hmm.
He has been washing the clothes for 2 hours.
Hmm.
It has been raining since evening.
Hmm.
Does he not ride the bike?
Hmm.
Yes, he doesn't because, but she does drive the car.
Hmm.
Has been trying to put the baby sleep for an hour.
Hmm. Once again.
She has been trying to put the baby sleep for an hour.
Hmm.
She has been working 15 hours a day.
For 15 hours.
He has been studying hard.
Hmm.
He has been seeing every strange dream recently.
Hmm.
They have been coming to late work.
Hmm. They have been coming to work late.
Okay. Have they been playing since 5 o'clock?
Hmm.
Children have been playing since 8 o'clock.
Hmm.
Where are you? I have been looking for you for 1 week.
Hmm.
Someone has been stealing my money.
Hmm.
Someone hasn't been stealing my money.
Hmm.
We went to Agra.
Hmm.
We wrote a letter.
Hmm.
We bought the cow.
Hmm.
We went to
We bought a cow. A cow. Or cows.
Okay. He went to watch the kabaddi.
Hmm.
He did not talk in class.
Hmm.
I went Manali 2 years back.
Hmm. I went to.
He lived in this house.
Hmm.
Who lived in this house?
Hmm.
Where did you play the cricket?
Hmm.
Did he invite you?
Hmm.
He did not finish his work.
Hmm.
Ram did not go there yesterday.
Hmm.
Did you finish your homework?
Hmm.
He did not finish your homework.
Hmm.
We were going. We were doing work.
Hmm.
They were studying.
Hmm.
It was raining here.
Hmm.
I was recovering.
Hmm.
You were doing hard work.
Hmm.
You were doing your work.
Hmm.
I was chasing the thief.
Hmm.
The electricity went out while I was studying.
Went off. Light चली गई.
When I was saw him, he was watching TV.
I was नहीं. When I saw him.
So yeah, I was saw him.
I was नहीं.
I saw him.
I saw him.
Okay. What were you doing when he was murdered?
He was murdered.
Murdered.
जब उसकी हत्या हुई तुम क्या कर रहे थे?
हाँ,
What were you doing when he was murdered?
murdered. Everyone was sleeping when thief entered in the house. Was he learning his lesson? Was postman deliver letter?
Delivering.
Have you? Yes. Have you received your FASTag?
Yes.
I haven't received.
Yes.
I haven't received my FASTag.
But I received my FASTag in December 2019.
I was already requested but did not receive it. Last one.
Not received.
Not received.
Which car do you use or do you drive?
I was IDFC first. IDFC.
Which car?
Car. Centro.
Okay. It's a good car
What about you,
actually. It's a good car.
Yeah. What about you, sir?
Centro. I use Twist, Nano Twist.
Nano Twist.
It's my favorite car. Earlier I used Nano, the first version.
Okay.
In 2013 and then 16 I sold it. And again I got new one, Nano Twist.
CNG with?
No. Petrol. It's a very, very good car. I like it.
Spaces also.
And I have traveled, you can say 50,000 kilometers with it.
50,000?
Yes, within 4 years, 5 years. Because actually I drive my car for, long journey. Just recently I traveled 1700 kilometers. 17
up and down.
Up and down, yes. So I traveled very long journey by this, and I like this car very much. Even I have Honda City also in my home, but I prefer Twist.
What about maintenance?
Very low
Cheap
maintenance, very low.
Okay.
Not very much costly. Average is very good. Centro is very good because I have used Centro also. Centro is a good car actually of Hyundai. But they are now not manufacturing Centro.
No, now he started again.
Okay.
I was bought when it was going to close in
2014. I bought.
I bought.
So it is a good car actually. I know sitting is good. Very strong car. I know it. Yeah.
Pickup is also good.
Yes.
Compared to other cars like WagonR.
WagonR is also good car.
But not pickup like that.
Yeah, it's okay. But WagonR is also, I prefer WagonR also. Because it is good car actually, in driving and all.
Height is also good.
Height is good, seat is comfortable, ground clearance is very good. It's a good car. And Swift,
Swift,
but not new Swift, old
Swift
Swift.
Desire or Swift normal Swift?
Swift, not Desire.
Okay, Swift.
Swift is very good car, old car, not new.
Hmm.
Old Swift, old Wagoner, they are very good. Old
But
Santro,
I was driving the
I
Civic also.
drove. Hmm.
Okay, I drove, but I thought it is not too much high in the if I'm sitting on the chair,
Seat. Hmm.
your seat.
Yeah, but yeah, you are right. But you know, Nano is very good in that condition. If you
Hmm.
drive Nano, you have feeling of driving SUV.
Okay,
Yeah,
I was not driving, but I sit with my one of the friend.
Nano is very good car. Really, means it has no match of its segments car because
Hmm.
it is very good. Really, very nice. I like it very much, and that's why the second time I got it.
Hmm.
And the third time I am also willing to buy Nano.
Same.
Same, or but actually they have stopped manufacturing.
Yes.
Tata has stopped. But if you drive Nano, you will never give up driving it. It is very nice car actually. You know, in comparison to other cars in that segment of 3 lakh, 3.5 or 4 lakh. Best
Hmm.
car. Hmm.
Okay. I haven't received my FASTag. Was Raj not plucking the flower?
Hmm. Plunking, plucking.
Plucking.
Hmm. So
Where the audience?
you haven't got FASTag.
Yeah, till yet.
Why?
I was applied last month
Which bank?
in first bank, IDFC First Bank.
IDFC. You should try HDFC. Cancel it
Hmm.
from there. HDFC is the best. I got it within 10 days in 2019 at my
No,
home.
but I am not traveling with my car to out of the state.
But I travel a lot. That's why I need. And I
I am
got
not
it
in
in
the state.
2019. That's why.
Hmm. Good.
I travel a lot. That's why I needed FASTag.
Hmm. In the night, I was not able to see the road because of the some buses and the high beam cars are coming. So my eyes are going to blank.
Yeah, this is a tricks and tricks.
Yeah,
You have
correct.
to use tricks and you should know some tips how to drive a car during night. If you know that, you won't have any problem.
Hmm.
Some tricks are there, because when you are going on highway, on the daytime, you should take your car if it is four-way lane.
Ah,
If it is four-way lane, then you take your car on extreme right.
right.
Extreme
Yeah.
right. But when you are driving your car in night, don't take your
Winner.
car to the extreme because some cars are also coming from opposite direction. So you will have it's their lights on,
Reflection.
reflection lights on your glass and your eyes. So it is difficult. But if you have, some trees and some small plants on the way, on the path, then it's okay. You can protect your eyes from the reflection. But if you see that it is, there is no plant,
Highway.
it is clear highway, then you take your car to the extreme left.
Okay.
So you can protect the reflection up to 60 or 70%.
Hmm.
Some, and that is just experience हो तो idea से चलती है फिर कार.
Hmm.
और
अदरवाइज वो व्हाइट लाइन होती है ना, मैं उस पे रखता हूँ
हाँ
अदरवाइज।
वो तो दिस इज द मेन थिंग।
हाँ
व्हाइट लाइन को देखो आप, रिफ्लेक्शन को
हाँ
नहीं देखो।
करेक्ट।
Just see downwards, see
हाँ
that white line here and here, both side.
बस
So you have idea that your car is in between these two white lines.
करेक्ट।
अगर
अदरवाइज
आपने
मिडिल
ऊपर
होता है।
देखा, अगर आपने ऊपर देखा, if you see in front of the car, और just use dipper, आप लाइट को नीचे कर दो, डाउन कर दो, तो if he is also a good driver, then he will also put the light down. So it is very easy for you to cross the car.
Correct. No, but problem is in highway, I am in my way, but other way who's coming from in front of my
Opposite direction.
opposite direction. So that is the problem. That reflection is going my eye to black.
That's the reason. But that time you must see that path,
White line.
white line. Don't see at the light.
Correct.
But I have
So
traveled a lot, long journey actually. Last year actually I traveled 850 kilometers in a day.
850. Oh,
Yes, from Amritsar to my city Gwalior.
Amritsar. Okay.
Yeah, Amritsar to Gwalior, and this is 850 kilometers. I left
Baka
Amritsar.
border or Amritsar?
I didn't go
Temple.
actually, that time it was closed because of Corona. I went
The
there
temp.
in on Holi 2020.
Okay.
So that time it was closed for the
Close. Yeah.
precautions, so I couldn't go there. But
Where, sir? In temple or Baka border?
Baga border.
Okay.
I
Temple is
visited,
open.
yes, temple. I visited temple and some other places also. There is a place actually, Sada Pindi in Amritsar. Sada Pindi is a place. Actually, they have designed it like a village of Punjab.
Okay.
Yeah, so they take 750 per head.
Okay.
They charge 750 per head, and you just go inside and you visit that place, and you see lot of things, the culture of Punjab and all, and free food.
It is like a same in Rajasthan also, no? One kind of things.
In
I don't know what is the
Jaisalmer,
name.
Jaisalmer.
Not Jaisalmer, sir. That is the same way which you are talking about in क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Jodhpur.
Not Jodhpur, sir. In the Jaipur, they have one kind of restaurant like the same.
Yeah, it is good.
They
You
are
can
giving a
enjoy the whole day.
they are food Rajasthani foods. They serve.
Yeah, so we entered and we enjoyed, makka ki roti,
Sarson da saag.
sarson ka saag and all. And
They
at last, there is a restaurant. At last, there is a restaurant, and they take your coupon, and you just go inside, have food. But after that, you cannot have food. This is the last.
yeah.
But in the beginning, you get charge, lassi, and you go inside, and it is just like a village. Ladies cook, makka ki roti and all. They call you itthe aao, and then you sit down there on khatiya and all. It is very good actually.
Good.
Hmm. So, hmm.
It was good trip, huh?
Yeah, I always enjoy. This time also I enjoyed. I went to Pachmani second time because I am fond of traveling. I like traveling too much by car. Now maybe in February I may go for a very long trip. I am going to Silchar
Silchar.
in Assam
Okay. Via car.
by car.
Alone.
No, with my friends. Alone, I don't go alone. I take at
Two
least.
drivers is required. At
Yes.
Sometimes it is very hectic for one person.
Yes. Okay.
So where the audience not listening the song.
Where
The audience not listening the song.
audience is not listening.
Actually, it is were.
Was. Audience is a collective noun, so it should be singular.
Okay.
Audience was. तो ऑडियंस कलेक्टिव नाउन है, तो दैट शुड बी सिंगुलर. ऑडियंस वर कई बार यूज करते हैं लोग, बट इट शुड बी सिंगुलर.
Why were boys making a noise? Why are you standing on door? Why were you standing on door? Because I was. Why were you standing on door? Because I was waiting for someone. Where was your father working?
Where
Was
was
your
your father?
your father working? He's working in ACPL. Why he can't shut down the server?
Why can't he?
Was she laughing on me? No, she was laughing on me.
At me.
At me. Why were you going there? He was not sick. We were all tired. Was this movie good? Were you out last night?
Where were you?
How was your day? It was pathetic.
How was your day?
He was playing the guitar. They were going to market. He had already completed this work. Now again we must do this. Why he is going for driving test again? He had given drive test last week.
Taken, given नहीं, taken. कोई एग्जाम लेते हैं ना तो टेक आता है उसमें.
Okay. He had taken board exam, now waiting for result. That's it, sir.
So last time I taught you past continuous.
Yes.
Past continuous. No, past indefinite I told you. Now simple. Yeah, it is simple past continuous, you know. Past continuous, you have to use subject, was, verb plus V1 ing plus object. With I we always use was. Like I was watching a movie when you came. It can be connected with past indefinite also. उससे भी connect करके बना सकते हो. जैसे I was watching a movie when you came. मैं देख रहा था जब आप आए. मैं पिक्चर देख रहा था. Okay. Like you may make a question like what were you doing when I came? So what
were you doing
when I came? जब मैं आया तब आप क्या कर रहे थे? What were you doing?
Okay.
What were you doing when I came? ऐसे ही आप बना सकते हो लाइक किसी चीज को अपन ढूंढते हैं, किसी आदमी को भी ढूंढते हैं,
हम्म,
तो लुक फॉर होता, आई एम लुकिंग फॉर मिस्टर शर्मा। जैसे ऑफिस में गए, आई एम लुकिंग फॉर मिस्टर शर्मा, वेयर इज ही, तो कहाँ मिलेंगे, तो आई वॉज लुकिंग फॉर, कोई चीज ढूंढना भी होती है, आई एम लुकिंग फॉर माई मोबाइल,
हम्म,
आई एम लुकिंग फॉर, आई वॉज लुकिंग फॉर, ओके, आई वॉज लुकिंग फॉर a servant. I was looking for a servant to engage him into my house for cleaning. सफाई वगैरह के लिए मुझे एक आदमी चाहिए, आई एम लुकिंग फॉर, ओके। तो इसी तरीके से आप बना सकते हो पास्ट में, लाइक आई वॉज स्टैंडिंग, तो अगेन कंटिन्यूअस फॉर्म, स्टैंडिंग, लाइंग, सिटिंग, वेयरिंग, ये कंटिन्यूअस में ही होती है। आई वॉज वेयरिंग a black coat in the party, मैं पार्टी में काला कोट पहने था, I was wearing a black coat in the party, okay, why were you standing there, तुम वहाँ क्यों खड़े थे,
खड़े थे,
I was waiting for someone, मैं किसी का इंतजार कर रहा था, I was waiting for someone, right? So you have got sunlight on your face, I think.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. No, it's okay, no problem. I have no problem. I'm just asking. So you are lucky to have sunlight in your room. That's good. Acha, you are getting vitamin D.
Sunbath.
Sunbath, vitamin D. I don't have sunlight in my room. Okay.
Sometimes it is good, but in winter it is good, but in summer it is very, it is pathetic.
It's okay. So you can make past continuous like this. Okay.
Okay.
Many sentences, question and all. Like
Where was your father working?
yeah. Like this you can make. Now time is going up, so I am not telling you next tense but let's discuss something. Today I am going to tell you something in present tense, so listen to me carefully, and this will be your topic also for speaking. Okay, so I am going to tell you something about life, that life,
Okay.
life. So life is full of happiness and sorrows, and everybody has to face happiness, sorrows in his or her life, but there are only two ways to enjoy your life. Either you should repent, repent का मतलब था पछताना. Either you can repent that you couldn't do that in your life, you could have done this, it should have been done in that way, so you may repent, oh, I couldn't do this, it could have been done, I could have done this, it should have been done in that way. Or you enjoy your life by repenting only, that I couldn't do anything in my life or whatever. Or there is another way, to forget everything in the past and enjoy your present. Do your duties and forget everything, whether it is good or bad or whatever. Forget this, focus on present, enjoy your life today, and decide what you want to do today. As you see, there is a juggler in circus. Juggler, and he tries to balance balls. in the circus, and he has 5 balls, and he balances all the 5 balls, and he tries to avoid dropping the balls on the ground,
Ground.
and he tries to balance. Similarly, everybody has to balance these 5 balls in his life. There are 5 balls, and 3 of the balls are of rubber, and 2 of the balls are of glass, कांच की. And you are trying to balance all these 5 balls. Your first rubber ball is your business or your job. Second rubber ball is your property. Third rubber ball is your friends, and the glass ball is your health, and second glass ball is your family. And you are trying to balance all the 5 balls. But here, what people do, people try to balance rubber balls in their life. But what we should do, we should try to balance all the 5 balls. But even if you lose these 3 rubber balls, means your business, property, friends,
And friends.
they will bounce back. All the ball bounce back. You will get them again. Your business, property,
Got it.
and your friends.
Friend.
But if you lose your family, your health, these are
Health.
glasses balls. They won't bounce back.
Correct.
So take care of everything, but don't try to balance these rubber balls on the cost of these glass balls. So this is life. Enjoy your life and take care of the glass balls first.
Glass balls.
That should be your priority, to protect glass balls, because this is your health and this is your family. If you are able to protect them, you can protect all these 3 rubber balls also.
Correct.
Right?
Right.
So this is life, and how you can enjoy your life, that is the way. So instead of repenting, you must enjoy your present. So whatever God has given to you, it is enough, and you can enjoy with it. But what people do, they repent. Oh God, you haven't given me the good pair of shoes. But do you know that some of the people in this world, they don't have even foot or legs to put on the shoes.
Correct, sir.
You should be thankful to the God. If He hasn't given you a pair of shoes, no problem. But He has given you the legs
Like at least.
to walk. And if you are not handicapped, you have eyes, you have ears, nose, hands, legs, you can maintain your health, then you are the richest person. You are one of the richest persons in the world. Money can give you comfort, but it may give you happiness, it may not give you happiness.
It will become maybe or not be.
Yes.
But body.
But if you are healthy enough, you can enjoy your life.
Correct.
You can travel, you can eat, you can talk, you can walk, you can play, you can laugh without any tension. So this is life. This is my opinion about life. So just write it in your own words and speak it. This is your topic.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
So see you again.
Okay, sir.
On Thursday. Bye. And make again some questions and sentences.
In past continuous.
Continuous and all.
Okay.
And make that topic.
Okay, sir.
And I am not sure, because I am going out of station for a day. Maybe on Thursday. So
no problem, you can give me that or ping me.
Yeah. I'll send you the message. If you get the
हाँ
message, if I am going, then only I'll send you the message. If you don't get any message, then we'll have class on Thursday.
class. Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir. Bye.
Have a nice day. Thank you.
Yeah, okay, bye.